Alright guys, so in today's video, I'll be talking about how you can create your first AI model. I'll be showing you the fastest and the easiest way to create your first AI model. This method requires zero money in startup costs, no technical skills with software like ComfyUI or LoRA, and 15 minutes of your time. While classic OFM remains a tried and tested successful business, taking full ownership of your entire content production pipeline eliminates the common issues with OFM, such as being rug pulled by a model, lack of motivation to create content, and most importantly, substantially increasing profit margins. I'll be showing you how to create this AI model using this simple prompt. Understanding AI consistency. Both image and text generation models are inherently probabilistic. What this means, there is always an element of randomness in every output. Unlike traditional software, AI is not seeking a single correct output. It is generating new content based on probability distributions. This means there is no such thing as the perfect prompt. Every model reacts differently, and even the same prompt given to the same model will produce a slightly different output. For this reason, you should always be experimenting with multiple prompts and image models to see what works best for you. If you're not happy with your first output, change something and try again. The goal of this guide is to teach you how to create a foundation image and, more importantly, how to use that image as a reference to consistently generate your AI influencer in any pose, location, or outfit. Alright, so generating the foundation image. For this phase, we will utilize Google Nano Banana Pro image model, also known as Nano Banana 2, as it currently offers the most realistic text-to-image generation capabilities. We're going to be using two key models, Nano Banana Pro used for creating the initial foundational image, and Nano Banana Pro Edit used for maintaining consistency using a reference image. Choosing an image generation platform. You will need a platform to interact with the underlying Google API. We could utilize Google Gemini for free, however, it is more restrictive in terms of allowed content, request frequency, and the total quantity of images that can be created. For this guide, we will use Wavespeed.ai. Even though any similar platform such as Fall.ai can be used. Wavespeed offers $1 in starting credits, equivalent to approximately 10 images. Locating the right model. Once your platform account is set up, search for the model. We will now begin the process of prompting it to create our first image. Creating your prompt. The quickest and the most efficient way to generate a strong starting prompt is through reverse prompt engineering. What do I mean by that? Find a reference image, select an image similar to the model you wish to create, use an LLM, input this reference image into Google Gemini with the following instruction. Describe this image in great detail. You are writing a prompt for Google Nano Banana Pro image model, like I did in here. As you can see, then it gives me the result. Now, editing and refining the prompt. Carefully read the output generated by Gemini and change any details necessary, such as eye or hair color. Do not worry about the background or pose yet. The primary goal is to secure a clear, high-quality, full-face image to be used as your foundational reference. Take this finalized prompt and paste it into the prompt box on Wavespeed. Then click Run. After entering your prompt into the prompt box, choose your resolution, aspect ratio for your output image. Click Run and you will get your first result. It will look something like this. You put the prompt here and then you click Run and you get the result. Perfecting the output. After your initial generation, you will likely notice flaws. For example, a blurry background might reduce realism, requiring you to modify the prompt with phrases like the background should not be blurred. Iteration is key. Do not settle for the first output. Go through several generations, experimenting with different keywords and techniques until you are satisfied. Aim to generate no less than 5 distinct images and then select the best one. This is the output I settled on after my third prompt. You will observe that faces across different generations do not look the same. This confirms that without a reference image output, the base NBP model will not generate a consistent face. This is the issue we solved in the next phase with the edit model and our reference image attached. Once you are happy with your reference image, save it somewhere you will remember, ideally in a folder titled Model Name Content, and call the image Model Name Reference. Phase 2. Creating more photos of our model. To create new images of your model in any pose, location, or with any facial expression, we will now use Nano Banana Pro Edit. Search for this image generation model on your platform. You will know you have the right one when there is an image prompt input selection. The process is simple. You must first input the reference image into the images section of the Nano Banana Pro Edit tool. Then you will write the prompt describing the new desired scene in the prompt section. The Nano Banana Pro Edit model will use the reference image to preserve the character core look while applying the new context from your text prompt. As you can see, we put a prompt in here saying create an image of this girl lying on a beach towel at the beach, and it generated this. Then the next prompt, using the base image we generated before. Create an image of this girl taking a mirror selfie in the bathroom wearing a black bikini top and a skirt. As you can see, the image generated is perfect. It looks like a real image. Another prompt, create an image of this girl as if taken by someone sitting across the table from her at a fancy restaurant. She has a cute expression and is wearing a low-cut black select rest. These are the images generated from this one base picture. Alright guys, you now have the skills to both generate an entirely new AI model from scratch and more importantly to produce a virtually unlimited consistent stream of content for that model. Using Google Nano Banana Pro Edit image generation model, you are able to specify the location, facial expression, photo angle, clothing, etc. to create any social content you need in under 30 seconds. While this guide focuses on the manual high quality generation of content, the next evolution is speed and scale. In a future guide, which I will share in my Discord, I will detail how to automate this entire process using no-code platforms. This advanced method will allow you to generate hundreds of visually consistent prompt-based images with a single click, taking your AI model operation from manual creation to full-scale digital production. Join my private Discord to learn more about AI OFM. The link is in the description. Also, comment below what do you want me to cover in the next video.